this note. ThyssenKrupp. These are the elevators here at the Green Valley Executive Center in Fairfield, California. Look at that, whoa. What the heck? What the hell? Dude, these are like VR buttons, but they have traditional contacts. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I've seen these when they have the impulse contacts, but whoa, even the door buttons light up. Interesting. Elevators. ThyssenKrupp controller. Interesting. Let's get the other car, which is sitting right here. Very weird buttons. That door button doesn't light up. Door buttons don't light up on this one. They have the nano-septic things on the buttons, which actually fit pretty well on these. You can see these contacts are a bit beat up.